Welcome to JH. FentiCoin.com wants you to believe it's a secure, user-friendly crypto paradise with over 200 assets for everyone from total newbies to seasoned pros. But is it a legitimate gold mine or just another digital vacuum for your wallet? Let's peel back the layers of this onion and try not to cry. They boast a massive global user base of 3 million people, which sounds great until you realize most of them are probably imaginary. A quick trip to Trustpilot reveals a horror show of negative reviews where users are screaming scam louder than a heavy metal concert. From being ghosted by TikTok promoters to Bitcoin deposits vanishing into the void, the only thing this platform seems to exchange is your money for a headache. Apparently, customer support is also busy playing hide and seek, as no one can seem to get a response or a successful withdrawal. FentiCoin claims they've been around since 2021, building a legacy of trust. However, a basic domain check shows the site was registered in May 2025. Yes, you heard that right. They're apparently operating from the future. I guess when you're busy inventing time travel, you don't have time for trivial things like honesty or linear reality. They even have a section for press releases to look extra fancy, but clicking the links is about as productive as talking to a brick wall. The links lead absolutely nowhere. It's a bold strategy to build credibility with 404 errors, but I suppose nothing is exactly what you should expect to receive from them in return. Moving on to their contact info, they've listed various addresses and phone numbers to appear professional. Too bad a simple Google search shows the phone number was just copy-pasted from a random corner of the internet. If they can't even afford their own SIM card, they probably shouldn't be handling your life savings. Finally, let's meet the dream team. Sarah Johnson, Alex Chun, and the rest of the gang. They have lovely names, but absolutely no faces, no LinkedIn profiles, and zero digital footprint. It's almost as if the leadership team was generated by a random name bot in a basement. So, is FentiCoin.com legit? Unless you enjoy donating to anonymous strangers who live in the future and use fake phone numbers, I'd say stay far away. It's a red flag parade with no end in sight. And putting your money here is less of an investment and more of a magic trick where your cash disappears forever. Thanks for sticking with me until the end. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on who is trying to rob you next.